Chemical changes and reactions. Here, we'll discuss about types of chemical reactions: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, substitution reaction, and double decomposition reaction. Direct combination reaction or synthesis reaction. Here, two or more reactants form single product, like A combines with B to form AB. Examples of direct combination: N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. 3Mg plus N2 gives Mg3N2. 2Fe plus 3Cl2 gives 2FeCl3. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH whole twice. NH3 plus HCl gives NH4Cl. 2NH3 plus H2SO4 gives NH4 whole twice SO4. 4NO2 plus O2 plus 2H2O gives 4HNO3. Decomposition reaction. Here, one reactant forms two or more products, like AB decomposes into A plus B. Decomposition of metal carbonates. CO2 is involved, which turns lime water milky but has no effect on potassium dichromate paper. CaCO3 on heating gives CaO plus CO2. Decomposition of metal carbonates leaves residue of metal oxides and CO2. Zinc carbonate leaves a residue which is yellow when hot and white when cold. ZnCO3 gives ZnO plus CO2. Copper carbonate leaves a black residue. CuCO3 on heating gives CuO plus CO2. Lead carbonate leaves a yellow residue. PbCO3 gives PbO plus CO2. Decomposition of nitrates. Decomposition of metal nitrates. Reddish brown fumes of NO2 given off. Oxygen is also given off, which rekindles glowing splint. Copper nitrate leaves black residue. 2CuNO3 whole twice gives 2CuO plus 4NO2 plus O2. Lead nitrate leaves yellow residue. 2PbNO3 whole twice gives 2PbO plus 4NO2 plus O2. Zinc nitrate leaves yellow when hot, white when cold. 2ZnNO3 whole twice gives 2ZnO plus 4NO2 plus O2. Decomposition of ammonium dichromate. It leaves green residue. NH4 whole twice Cr2O7 on heating gives Cr2O3 plus N2 plus 4H2O. Substitution reaction. Two reactants, one element or one compound, gives two products, one element, one compound. The more active element displaces less active element, like A plus BC gives AC plus B. Iron copper sulfate reaction. Brown deposit on iron nail. Blue color solution changes into green color. FeCuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Metal acid reaction. Brisk effervescence observed. Colorless gas given off which burns with pop sound. Zn plus HSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Double decomposition reaction. Two reactants, two compounds, gives two products or two compounds. AB plus CD gives AD plus CB. This involves precipitation and neutralization. Precipitation reactions. Two solutions form insoluble substance referred as precipitate. BaSO4 precipitate. BaCl2 solution with H2SO4 forms white precipitate of BaSO4. BaCl2 plus H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus 2HCl. AgCl precipitate. AgNO3 solution with dilute HCl forms white precipitate of AgCl. The reaction is AgNO3 plus HCl gives AgCl plus HNO3. Lead chloride or lead sulfate precipitate. Lead nitrate solution with dilute HCl or with dilute H2SO4 forms white precipitate of lead chloride, which dissolves on heating, and of lead sulfate, which does not dissolve on heating. PbCl2 dissolves on heating, but PbSO4 does not dissolve on heating. Blue precipitate of copper hydroxide is formed when copper sulfate solution reacts with NaOH solution. The reaction is CuSO4 plus 2NaOH gives CuOH whole twice plus Na2SO4. Neutralization reaction. Acid-alkali reaction to form salt and water. Neutralization reaction examples. NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl, which is a salt, plus H2O. 2NaOH plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. 2KOH plus H2SO4 gives K2SO4 plus 2H2O. Exothermic reaction. Heat is given out. Mostly combination reactions. Burning reactions such as 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. Neutralization reaction, that is acid-alkali reactions, are also exothermic reactions. Metal-acid reactions are also exothermic reactions. Endothermic reactions. Here, heat is absorbed. Mostly decomposition reactions are endothermic reactions. Reactions of white-hot coke with steam. C plus H2O gives CO plus H2. Reaction of N2 and O2 to form nitrogen monoxide. N2 plus O2 gives 2NO. Also, carbon reacts with sulfur. C plus 2S gives CS2. Catalytic reaction. N2 plus 3H2. In the presence of catalyst, Fe, temperature between 450 to 500 degrees Celsius with pressure at 200 atm gives 2NH3. 2SO2 plus O2. Catalyst V2O5, temperature 450 to 500 degrees Celsius gives 2SO3. 4NH3 plus 5O2. In the presence of catalyst, platinum at 100 degrees Celsius gives 4NO plus 6H2O. All the above three mentioned reactions are exothermic.